Hi everyone, welcome back to another glow up video. This time we'll be doing a Japanese glow up, meaning I will use techniques and products that are related to Japanese culture. So if you are looking for a quick way to glow up, this video is perfect for you. It's also on a budget. I will show you how to DIY your own skincare. Okay, let's start with the skincare. They usually have a lot of white rice based products. I will be using the sushi sticky rice, but it's not essential. First, you're going to rinse your rice just once. Second one is going to be much more intense, and that way we'll be able to get as much of the rice as possible. And then you're going to fill it with water. Make sure you add a generous amount of water because you'll be using that same water for different DIYs. So first we're going to do a hair rinse. Then for the toner, I'm using a rose oil, but this is just for the scent. You don't have to. Then give it a good shake and you have a toner ready to go. You can store it in the fridge for a week. Then for the leftover rice, you're going to cook it and make sure that it's very well cooked. Even if it's overcooked, it's okay because we need to mix it afterwards. 1 spoon of the rice, you don't need that much. It's going to be for the face mask. And then you're going to just blend it until you have a nice consistency. You don't have to mix it all, like it doesn't have to be well blended, but make sure that it's this kind of texture. For the under eye, you need some instant coffee. Make sure it is instant coffee. It's very different from grounded coffee. That one, if you mix it with water, it literally melts. So you're going to add 2 teaspoons of this. Then you're going to take a shower as per usual. You're going to first wash your hair, and then I'm going to be using the rinse, so just pour the rinse over your head and make sure that it's touching all of your hair. One little tip here that I didn't do is to warm up the water before, because I had to pour it on my head and it was ice cold. Now I'm going to do my skincare, but before that I noticed that when they apply their makeup, it's always like so flawless. Something I've been doing lately, pretty much like once every 2 months, is dermaplaning my face. So I will just shave my face with these and just, you know, like that, and you guys already know how it looks like, but I'm going to switch to the headband because I really don't want any hair to be trapped, because that is not nice. And I'm going to first apply some oil, and before I start shaving, I actually want to pluck the middle of my eyebrows. I hate like shaving the middle, I don't know why. So I'm going to pluck that, and then I'm going to oil my whole face. I think I'm gonna gouache up first, and then I'm going to dermaplan. And also I need to make my eyebrows straight. I go to my esthetician and she always makes me like the best eyebrows ever. Like I love how she like plucks them. But for a Japanese makeup and like style, they do have straighter eyebrows, so I'm going to attempt on doing that. Hopefully I don't mess up my eyebrows, and hopefully she's not watching this video. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to play a podcast because it's gonna be pretty long, so I suggest you play something in the background while you do that. Okay. I just rinsed it off. It was crazy, you guys. Don't apply too much because literally, what was that? It's so sticky. It depends, I guess, on the rice you are using, but if you're using, like I used sticky rice, be careful not to apply too much because it was just, yeah, I was scared for a bit. I was like, oh my god, did I make a mistake? Like, was I supposed to apply that on my face? Because it wouldn't come off. It was scary. Now I'm going to use the toner I'm going to use two like little cotton balls because this is the only cotton I have. I don't have any pads because I don't use them, so it's just gonna be for this toner now. So give it a good shake, and then okay, then I'm going to just put on a little bit on the and then just wipe your face with it. The rosy smell is so nice. It's really like soothing. I almost want to just, you know, apply it like that. Yeah, just like I used to apply my toners back then. Like I would just pat like this. I can like sense it on my skin. It's so refreshing and moisturizing and nourishing. And now I'm just going to finish up with my usual skincare. It's just this for tonight, so some Nivea cream and some castor oil for under eyes. So oh my god, I forgot to use the coffee. It's okay, it's fine, we'll just skip this step. Before I did the toner, I was supposed to put on the coffee patches, like DIY coffee patches. I love to just, you know, make sure that it's not drenched, but almost. I like to use a generous amount under my eyes because it's so moisturizing, and even like on my lashes because it grows them and makes them like thicker. Okay, now I'm just going to apply some Vaseline on my lips to moisturize them, and it's a little tinted, so it's gonna look super cute. Okay, and that is the skincare, you guys. Anyways, I'm going to relax now and take some time to wind down because it is Sunday evening and I have been filming since this morning, so let's just go chill for a bit and I'll actually catch you up tomorrow. Okay guys, so following up with the skincare, now I want to do my nails, and what I noticed is they usually have very like short natural nails, and if they do get their nails done, it'll be not too long, and it'll be kind of like either cutesy with many gems on it, or just a very simple one, and I'm going for the very simple one because I don't have any gem. I'm actually going to attempt something. I have these, and this one I already tried it multiple times and I don't really like it because it's a hot pink and I don't like it. So I'm going to try to put a very thin layer of this one and a top coat that is like glittery, and see if that makes it better. Okay, I'm going to try this one. Oh my god. It actually looks like when I used to do my nails in middle school. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if I like it. It's very like too much for me. Let me try the whole hand and see if I actually like it. It's cute, you know, it's not like not cute, but it's way too extra for me, at least right now. I feel like this is not my mood, or actually maybe it is. Wait, it's giving like the golden pink is giving summer sunset, I guess. Hey guys, I'm actually on my way to the salon, but there's so much traffic today, I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it'll be okay. The only expensive thing here that I did that you don't have to do is going to the salon, and I got a hair gloss so that way my hair is soft and shiny. It was actually for my birthday, so that's why it's in the video in the first place, but otherwise you really don't have to go to the hair salon. But if you can, get a hair gloss, it is life-changing. So now I'm moving to the last part of this glow up, which is makeup. So I'm going to try to replicate this type of look. They usually go for something very clean, natural, and very soft. So this is the look I'm going to go for today, and also something that makes a huge difference. It's having very soft hydrated lips, so I highly recommend you scrub your lips just before your makeup and apply some Vaseline or a lip balm. I'm going to play a podcast as per usual. Right now I've been loving this one podcast. It's called Try Not to Care. I love it. And also the Wellness Cafe is back, so you know that I'm listening. And she just dropped the Hot Girl Spring Reset Checklist. That's perfect timing, so I'm going to listen to that. So yeah, I'll get started and I'll leave you with the voiceover. Okay, so first you're going to apply your base. Make sure you use these exact spots when you're using your concealer because it really brings your complexion to another level. Then I highly suggest you use some setting powder. For the blush, I suggest you go for a pink one and make sure that you don't use too much and that you place it in the middle of your face just like I did. Okay, then it is eyeshadow time. You're going to use a cream one. Then I'm using a much lighter eyeshadow and going under my eyes with a darker eyeshadow. I'm going to trace the 𝒔𝓊𝓃𝓈 with another brush to line your eyeliner. Make sure that it is very thin. Something that's typical of Japanese makeup is I use a pink eyeshadow to connect the gap between the eyeliner and the under eye. What I like to do is go over that same line with my freckle pen. That way it sets better and it doesn't melt afterwards. You can also trace your inner corner with this for more depth to your eyes. For the mascara, it's very important that you do the same motion that I'm doing because that way you're going to gather some eyelashes together and give your eyes this very, you know, spiky look. I'm sure you guys know what I mean, but it is with that motion that you get this effect. Now we're going to apply some glitters under our eyes and it's going to give that little watery effect, I guess. This is optional, but you can use highlighter in the inner corner of your eyes and on the tip of your nose. So that is the finished makeup. I might have gone a little bit too wild with the contouring of the lips, but I really wanted to give like this very full lip kind of effect. That is the finished makeup. I actually really like it. It's almost, well, it is actual makeup that I do on a daily basis because obviously I grew up watching a lot of Japanese influencers or like makeup artists, and I ended up doing the same technique they would use. So yeah, maybe these techniques are a little outdated though, but this is what I remember from watching these makeup artists. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm going to dress up. I'm going to put my bangs into a roller. I should have done that before I do my makeup. And I'm going to get dressed and then do my hair and then we'll head out because we actually have a little thing to see. I don't know what it is. I'll vlog it, but it'll probably be for next week's vlog. So yeah, let's get changed now. Okay, so we have a first option, which is the usual, the long skirt with a sweater on top, a cute knit sweater like this one. I feel like these are really popular because they're like basic and cutesy at the same time and very feminine and elegant, and they usually pair it with a long flowy skirt like this one. You can actually see a little bit over there, but I'll show you. So, and then they have like longer, like higher socks and a pair of loafers or sneakers, but I wanted to go for a little more cutesy style. So you're gonna need a cardigan. I wish I had like another cardigan. The other one I have is not, actually maybe I have another one, we'll see, but I picked this one, which you guys already know, and I'm going to pair it with a baby doll top. So let's see how that looks. This is the one. It's very cutesy, much more like someone who would be more into fashion, I guess. Usually it would be a normal cardigan and that would look a little bit more decent, but this is all I had. But it looks cute. It's very like cutesy. For the 𝒔𝓊𝓃𝓈, if you guys don't know, it's a sub style and it's kind of like cottagecore, cutesy fairycore, but Japanese style inspired. So I might have a take on that one. It won't be 100% this one, so please don't come for me, but I'm just trying out options here. Okay, so it's basically this, so all white like with the flowy skirt and stuff. And then this cardigan is a little bit more chill, a little bit more like loose and oversized. So I thought this could be a vibe as well. I think you can't really see, but the white from the shirt is not the same as the white from the skirt, which really throws it off. Like if it's not the same color, like it's not gonna match, because it's gonna look like the skirt is dirty, which we don't want. But the style, I mean, it looks like 𝒁𝓁𝓃𝓈, kind of, I don't know, let me know. Anyways, I'm not gonna wear that though today. I'm gonna go for something more simple. I don't know, I might actually go for something completely different, but I just wanted to show you for the sake of this video. But I think that I liked the one with this better. So I'm going to change back into that, and I'll see you for the reveal. And I'm done. So as you can see, I tried to do something with my hair because they usually have cute little hairstyles going on. Yeah, I did this one. It's just like the little twist. So then the outfit, very cute. I actually like this outfit so much better. One last thing, always have your hands moisturized and soft, so using this. I'm so happy with how it turned out, especially for like the skincare. I wasn't expecting especially the toner to work that well, and yeah, I really enjoyed this glow up because it's like very simple but cutesy at the same time, which is all about me. Like I love everything cutesy but simple and clean and dark girl and soft girl. Anyways, I'm gonna stop throwing keywords at you. I'm going to end this video here. Again, there's a vlog coming next week, so I'm trying to alternate between these concepts and vlogs, because I'm trying to do something different, you know. But yeah, hope you liked it, and I will see you the next vlog. Bye!